The temperature gauge is doing something new.
It used to sit in the middle of the range, steady. Now it climbs slightly, then drops when you accelerate. At every stop, it creeps upward.
You check the coolant overflow reservoir. The level is below the MIN mark.
You filled it. 2 days later, you checked again. It was below MIN again.
Half a cup of coolant every 2 days. No visible puddle under the car. No steam from the hood.
A weeping leak somewhere in the system, a slow seep from a hose clamp connection, or a water pump seal beginning to fail. Hose connection is weeping. We'll need to drain the system, access the junction, and replace the hose and clamp. $800 for access and labor. Bars Leaks has been sealing this exact leak, a weeping seal or hose connection, from inside the cooling system since 1952.
Not by masking it, by sending polymerizing particles to the leak point under hydraulic pressure, where they form a permanent bond at the exit point. The bottle costs $4.47. The 40-minute protocol requires draining nothing, accessing nothing, and opening the hood.
Cooling system hose connection repair? $800.
At mechanic cost. Replacement hose, $12.47. Hose clamps, $3.18. New coolant, system drain and refill, $31. Labor, drain, access, replace, refill, bleed air, 90 minutes at $19 per hour technician rate, $28.50.
Shop supply markup, $22. Total cost to deliver, $97.15. What they charged, $800.
Margin, 723%.
The hose itself costs $12.47. The labor to access it costs more than 7 times the parts and materials combined.
In many vehicles, the specific hose connection that develops the weep is behind the engine block, under the intake manifold, or adjacent to the firewall. Locations that make a 45-minute replacement a 4-hour access operation. The access and labor component is doing the work of the invoice.
Bars Leaks bypasses the access problem entirely. It seals from inside. No drain, no disassembly, no access labor.
Here is the hydraulic chemistry of how Bars Leaks works. And this is polymer chemistry, not magic.
Bars Leaks' original formula contains a suspension of sodium silicate particles, water glass, in a glycol-compatible carrier. Sodium silicate in water solution is stable. When sodium silicate contacts air, or more specifically, when the pH drops sharply at the point where the coolant exits the system, the silicate undergoes polycondensation. The silicate anions link together into a cross-linked silicate polymer network. That network is solid, hydrophobic, and dimensionally stable. The mechanism is hydraulic routing. Coolant moves through the cooling system under pump pressure, typically 7 to 16 psi. Leak points create a localized pressure differential. Coolant flows toward the exit. Bars Leaks particles are sized to pass freely through the coolant system without blocking passages, like the water pump impeller. But they are small enough to accumulate at leak gaps. Weeps are typically 0.1 to 0.5 millimeters.
At the leak gap, 2 things happen. The particles concentrate under hydraulic pressure, and the exiting coolant contacts the atmosphere.
Air contact and pH change triggers silicate polycondensation. The particles polymerize in situ, filling the leak gap.
The seal is not a patch. It is a polymer formed at the exact geometry of the leak exit.
Under continued cooling system pressure, the sealed matrix compresses against the gap walls and holds.
The seal forms in approximately 30 to 40 minutes of normal engine operation at operating temperature.
Stop. The 1952 origin. J.C. Wilson founded Barr's Leaks in 1952, not as a home remedy, but as a commercially formulated product. The original formula was sodium silicate suspension, documented in industrial pipe sealing literature of the 1940s. Popular Mechanics covered Barr's Leaks in 1953 as a permanent seal for weeping hose connections and gasket faces.
Every major automotive manufacturer's service manual includes a stop leak approval section. The approval specifies weep rate leaks, defined as seepage that does not drip but loses measurable volume over 200+ miles.
Now here's where it gets genuinely clarifying, because the mechanic is not wrong about the hose connection needing eventual replacement.
He is wrong about the urgency.
A weeping hose connection that loses half a cup per 200 miles will not cause engine failure in the next 5,000 miles.
The cooling system can lose up to 15% of capacity before the temperature protection is compromised.
Barr's Leaks buys you the time to decide whether the $800 repair is worth doing or whether the 4.47 treatment holds indefinitely.
The honest limitation, and this one is specific.
It works on weeping hose connections, water pump shaft seal weeps, and freeze plug seepage. It does not work on cracked radiator plastic end tanks. The crack geometry is too large and variable for particle accumulation.
A dripping radiator requires replacement or professional repair. It does not work on head gasket failure. Sodium silicate cannot seal a combustion pressure breach. Diagnostic check. Look at the exhaust for white smoke at startup.
Check the oil dipstick for a brown frothy emulsion.
Check the overflow reservoir for bubbles. If these are present, head gasket is suspect. Do not use Barr's Leaks. If none of these are present, you have a simple weep. Barr's Leaks is appropriate.
One bottle. 40 minutes. Step 1. Ensure the engine is cold.
Never open a pressurized cooling system on a hot engine. Step 2. Check the level. If it is significantly low, add coolant first to bring it to the MIN mark. Step 3. Add Barr's Leaks directly to the reservoir or radiator cap. Add the full bottle. Do not dilute. Step 4. Replace the cap. Start the engine.
Allow to reach full operating temperature, about 10 minutes. Then drive normally for 30 minutes. Step 5. Monitor level over the next 48 hours. Top up if needed. If the level stabilizes, the weep is sealed. U.S. cooling system repair generates $6.1 billion annually.
Tonight, check your coolant level. If it's below MIN, add coolant and mark it with tape. Check in 48 hours.
Tell me in the comments, color of your coolant, how fast it's dropping, and if you see steam. I'll tell you if it's a simple weep. Every person who adds a 4.47 bottle before scheduling an $800 service call is reading the service manual correctly.
Next video, the $1.47 compound that stops car doors from squeaking forever, while dealerships charge $100 to apply it.